Hello guys, welcome to Canvas Window Art channel. Today we'll be trying to draw a human form. We will show you how to make a simple human form. To draw a simple human form, we need a line, center line to the figure. I made it little slanting, not exactly a straight line. Because of the pose I have decided to draw, I made a line and then divide it into two equal portions. Now here I have taken A4 size of the paper, then I drew a line, and in the middle I have made a circle to the pelvis line, and top of the line I made a oval kind of a thing for the head. Then I am making a rib cage here as a triangular form to show the upper body. After that, then I'm trying to drawing the leg. To draw the leg, you need to make a mark, lower portion, break it into two portions, and then the leg bone to be drawn as a line, as a simple line. And there is a knee joint, and you can try drawing both the legs. For the foot, I have drew a triangular kind of a shape, and then try adding the hands bone as a simple lines, and the circle and the point more indicating the elbow and the wrist. Okay, there is a shoulder joint, and this is the complete structure of the pose which we decided. Now try adding the details. Added a neck and joined hip bone and the rib cage with a line. Try marking the legs. Now here I have divided now added the hands with the flesh, kind of a cylindrical tube. Then in the middle of the pelvic bone, I've added the legs with flesh. Kind of make it as simple as possible. Just a cylindrical tube joined on the leg bone. So then try added the chest. Now I'm making a rough sketch as a scribble. Don't expect the drawing should be initially to be neat and clean lines. It is not at all possible. It is possible it won't give you life to the picture, so that you can make a rough scribbling kind of a sketch. So now adjusted the foot because of the pose, the direction. Okay, here is the completed rough outline drawing. Now we will try to add up costume. Try adding up the foldings also. Just an indication on the same figure. You may think why we need to draw the skeleton, the structure, and then flesh, and then applying a costume. This is because to show the reality, to the liveliness to the human figure, then only it will give life to the picture. Otherwise, it won't be. You may think, okay, why don't I draw with immediately try draw the costume directly outer lines of the human form. So this is the study. This is the way of drawing. This is this will help you to make a realistic, good, lively image. Okay. Now we are adding details to the picture for the drawing, making the sketch darker, add up as much as detail decided the hairstyle also, kind of a spike kind of a hairstyle to the young man. Just make it a rough outline. No need to worry about when you're sketching. Make it as a freehand drawing. Here I didn't tell you to um, draw with the proportion. Here I drew with my common sense. From my observation, I have decided the proportion. Definitely, is there a proportion? We will try to make a tutorial on proportions also. Now adding the detail to the hands, showing up the fingers. From the body, and we have just added a small portion to the costume. Make a confident lines. I don't like using eraser when I'm drawing, because I think we need to show up, how the sketch was developed to this world. If you want a neat and clean drawing, you could erase it if you want. I don't mind. So this is my way of sketching. So added shoes. With a simple bold strokes. And here you could understand why I made the line little slanting. Now he is in a movement. He is not like just standing there. He has a movement because of the slanting line, and yes. And here A famous great artist, surrealistic artist Salvador Dali is saying, do not worry about perfection, you will never reach it. So that is a famous artist quote. Here we didn't worry about the perfection, but indicated the basic sketch of a man, young man. Now I'm adding up the shading portion. Light is coming on my right side, so left side of the object means the human form. I have added shading. So here we are focused to draw the sketch only, so that I'm not much focused on shading portion. To make the drawing three-dimensional, I have just shaded. Now to give overall color to the pant, I have shaded overall to differentiate the shirt color and the pant color. Now here the dark portion because of the light. I'm not working much here on the foldings, just showing up the dimension. Added shading fully. Add as much as possible details. Yes, now here almost we have completed a human form. Then you can try add shadow that will create a illusion the person is standing on the floor. Okay, right. I hope you like this video tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. We'll meet again with another tutorial.